Monkeys react to magic. In this video you will see baboon watching a magic trick goes viral, but was it really magical for the monkey? Before starting the video, do not forget like the video and please do subscribe to our 7 Lights YouTube channel. Now, let's get started.
In his butt, he's like, I don't even care. Alright, Wes, do it. You're boring.
He's showing you his teeth. He's saying, dude, do the trick.
No, he's ignoring you. Okay, do it. Oh! Woo! Yeah. Hi.
Okay.
Oh, look. Can I have it?
Sorry, your peanuts have disappeared. I will download more. Meanwhile, have a banana and some milk.
Come on, try yourself.
Yay! Stay tuned for more iPad magic and please subscribe to my channel.